pasty channel. Hey, my name is Adam. Today we're gonna see our new Nintendo. It's called Lego Dimensions.
Hi, this is Malek from El-Ladkani. Today I'm gonna be unboxing the Emmet fun pack that comes with Emmet and his excavator. Stay tuned because in a very short period of time I am gonna have my own channel.
What are you gonna be doing on your channel?
Me playing FIFA. It's gonna be called Malek the FIFA Man.
Yeah?
So stay tuned for that. That should be out very shortly. And yeah.
Hi.
Hi, my name is Karim. Today we are unboxing the superchargers, but we are unboxing Terrafin in his vehicle. But we have to stay tuned for an unboxing. But we don't have any doors. But we have these two for another box. But this
For another unboxing? You're gonna do another unboxing? Yep, are we ready to unbox? 3, 2, 1. I have seen someone already started unboxing. Go!
And I am gonna cast.
Go for it, Adam. Oh no, someone wants to be in the unboxing too. What's doing?
Ta-da! You get the starter pack
Which console did you get it for?
for the wiiu.
We have most games for the PlayStation, and I'm going to tell you most of them are FIFA. So from FIFA 8 to FIFA 16.
Did you get your FIFA 16?
Yep, I just got it on last Thursday. Yeah. Here we go. Now all I need is Mr. Emmet's head. Where does this piece go? Can somebody give me some? No instructions?
It couldn't be.
Please tell me.
You get Lego Dimensions Part 2
No instructions.
and the poster.
Wow, a big poster.
Wow, no instructions.
Really?
I'm
We know
not
the
a-
vehicle is out.
Get the game.
You get the game. That's really expensive, Adam, for only these. It's just a box. What else is in there?
And you get this.
What's this?
A Part 2.
It's the photo.
Oh no. Oh
Stay
no.
tuned for more unboxing of the other Lego Dimensions.
Oh no. They
So
don't
can I build that? Can I build that?
You can start building it.
Let's build that.
No, okay.
Oh no. No instructions. I'm not joking.
It couldn't be.
No Emmet head. Finally there actually is. But there are no instructions.
We have Terrafin's vehicle, and we got Terrafin. Stay tuned for the another unboxing. Discover the superchargers, and we got these stickers to customize to Terrafin's vehicle and Terrafin's vehicle.
Help. Little help.
Did you help?
Yay!
These are-
I built Emmet.
You did?
Emmet.
It's gonna take a lot of building to build that photo.
Stay tuned for the
Look at
another
this
unboxing.
We got the
Then you can put it on the Wii U. got the
And we
instructions?
got the stickers.
You got stickers.
And
No.
we got Terrafin.
We've got Terrafin.
And it's real cool.
And his vehicle.
He wants first. And we got the stickers. We got 5 chairs, 2 Terrafins. Stay tuned for another unboxing. My brother, Malek, and others.
Did you know I did a cleaning up?
Did you?
Yes. And in this video, I'm gonna show them cleaning up. Okay?
Cleaning up.
Yes.
And me.
Yes. Stay tuned for it.
Stay tuned for it.
For
it.
my
For Adam showing you how he's helping
and
Mum
my brother Adam.
and working to get money.
And me.
And you. And until then,
Pizza. Bam, 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 bam. Goodbye. I will see you later when we do an unboxing of the bag. Okay?
bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, KK.
Bye.
Bye.
Stay tuned for the another unboxing. Terrafin in his vehicle. And stay tuned for another unboxing of Teacher House, Stefan, and Dollar Pack.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.